Hello everyone, welcome to JSP Ambience Luxury. My name is Jenny and I am the owner and creator of JSP Ambience Luxury. Ladies, women, girl child, mothers, sisters, remember that we are the finest of all God's creation. Once again, welcome to my channel. So I have a friend of mine who sent me a video yesterday about this lady who went to do surgery. And it is very disheartening what happened to her. She was unconscious, and the doctor started having oral sex with her while she was undergoing surgery. So I'm going to have you watch the video. We're going to come back and talk about it.
My people, now this is what when you say you want to trust government and the way they do things, see what they are doing to your sister. The rest are they're cutting her belly, shaking her, and the other man, look at what he's doing to her here with her head. Just see. If they shook Ebola for the woman mouth, unconscious, the woman does it. Look at him, look at him. Look at him, look at your sisters. Do you think the people there don't know? They know. They do it every time. Today is his turn, so they will just pretend they don't see him. Just imagine. See your sister. This is somebody's wife. This is somebody's mother. This is somebody's sweetheart that they are playing with. Look at. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? You think they don't know? They know. Everybody know. You see? This is what the Caucasians, the cracker has been doing. This is what the cracker knows how to do best.
This is a doctor who you trust your life with. She trusts her life with. For the doctor to pull his penis out and be having oral sex with her while she was asleep is beyond belief. Is beyond my imagination. This is a doctor who went through school and pledged to do the best he can to save lives. I wonder how many women he's been doing that to, or he has done that on. I wonder how many women have come out of surgery with hobbies and mouth-related diseases, because apparently this is not his first time doing it. So let this video go viral so that the doctor, if he's not being brought to book, can be made accountable for his action. Because it's like going to a gynecologist, and gynecologist is, videoing you. It's just uncalled for. I remember the first time I went to a gynecologist to do pap smear. I didn't know what pap smear was, because I just came from Africa to the United States, so I didn't know what pap smear was. But my insurance requested that I go for it. So when the doctor came in, it was a male doctor. For me, I wasn't. It was like in a different world, because I'm like, okay, I can't imagine, opening up my body. So I requested for a female doctor. They said there's no female doctor, that I have to make another appointment. I said, okay, that's fine. I made another appointment, and they gave me a female doctor, because to me, I felt like, nothing against male doctor, but it was a new thing to me, So this doctor now that this lady is undergoing surgery with, other doctors were there. They didn't even, they were doing their thing, but the other doctor who was doing that to that lady who is asleep should be brought to book. So now, ladies, please, when you're going for any surgery, make sure you go with your family member. Just make sure you go with your family member, because you don't know what's going on while you are asleep. Make sure there is somebody who can watch over you while you are being operated on. It just beyond belief that a doctor who took an oath to protect lives, who took an oath to heal lives, will be doing such a thing to his patient. So please, ladies, make the video go viral. I don't know if it happened in the United States or wherever it happened, but it just the same thing everywhere. Whether in United States, any other country, it just the same. It's just the same. I remember when I, back home, just in retrospect, I went to a doctor for my eye. My eye was bothering me. I went to a doctor. He told me to remove my bra. I removed my bra. He was pressing my bra. And I think I was maybe like 15 years old. I didn't know what it was. I thought it was, my eyes. So he was checking my breast to see what was wrong in my eyes. Now, being a full-grown woman, thinking about it, my eyes had nothing to do with my breast. It had nothing to do with my breast. I was 15 years old then. These are practices, these are things that are happening that we didn't know of. So let's be very careful when we go to hospital, when we go to the clinic to go get our checkups. Let's make sure that we are, even if we are aware of our environment, we are aware of what is going on. And even when they're going to put you to sleep, make sure you go with somebody. Make sure, now I'm just getting, I'm kind of afraid going under the knife. I'm kind of afraid doing something that will put me to sleep, because you never know what they are doing. You don't know. I remember that there was a Nigerian doctor in Baltimore who was a gynecologist. He was taking videos of his female patients. He was recording them. I mean, how many vaginas can you see? You're already a gynecologist. Why are you taking videos? Why are you recording them? It's a demonic spirit. It's an evil practice. It's an evil spirit. When he was arrested, guess what? He committed suicide because he knew what was going to happen to him. They would have given him life imprisonment, and men in jail, they would have turned his behind. Please, let's be aware of our environment. Whenever you're going for, any procedure, please go with a friend, go with a family member, so they can watch over you. I'm just scared now. When I saw the video yesterday, my sister sent it to me yesterday. I was like, oh my goodness. I couldn't believe it. And she was telling me that some women were doubting that it actually happened. Maybe it was fake. Maybe it was fake. That thing is not fake. You see him pulling out his pants. That thing is not fake. You see him putting and pushing the woman's head to his body. It's not fake. There's no way in the world that thing will be fake. Please, let's be very careful. I mean, we trust these doctors and we bless them. All doctors are not the same. All doctors are not the same. All nurses are not the same. They are just little bad eggs. So let's be very, very careful. Don't just go to have a surgery without going with somebody to monitor. And then when you come out, you feel something was wrong, ask them that you want to see the video of your procedure. I remember one of my friends, she went for surgery. She told the doctor that she wants to record the procedure. Her daughter was in the operating room videoing the whole thing. The daughter was there videoing the whole thing. So let's be very, very wise. Let's be very, very careful when I say careful, let's be very, very wise. Let's make a little bit more finding. Let's dig deep a little bit. When you come out of surgery, ask to see what the procedure. Tell them you want to record. Tell them you want to see what happened. And especially if you're suspecting doctors like that, please have a family member going with you. Until I meet you again, remember that the Lord is the strength of a woman, and nobody's going to love you more than you love yourself. If you have any comment, please put it in the comment section below, and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share my video with every member of your family. Until I meet you again.